Hello guys, so today in this class we are going to learn about mudras. So what is mudras? Mudras means hand gestures which are very important part in classical music and classical Kathak dance. So today we are going to learn about this hand gestures. So there are basically 52 different kinds of hand gestures in Kathak dance. They are divided into asayukta mudras and sayukta mudras. So asayukta mudras basically are those mudras or those hand gestures which we will do with our one hand only. Single-handed mudras are asayukta mudras, and sayukta mudras are those kind of mudras which we want to do it by with our both hands. So these are double-handed gestures which are sayukta mudras. So there are 28 asayukta mudras which are single-handed gestures and 24 which are sayukta mudras which are double-handed mudras. So we are going to learn first about asayukta mudras which are single-hand gestures. So let's do it. You have to use your hands in this as it is a hand gesture. So in Kathak dance we use a lot of hand gestures, like it is only about your hand gestures. So it's, if you want to show some flower, so just do it like this. This is also a hand gesture. If you want to show a bird, that is also a hand gesture. You have to use your hand very perfectly in Kathak dance. So let's learn about this. So this is the pataka mudra. Just keep your hand like this, open it and the straight, it's pataka. Then just fold your third finger, it's three pataka. Three pataka means three, it's shown. Then pataka, three pataka, then ardha pataka. Ardha means half, so that's why we fold our two fingers. So pataka, three pataka, ardha pataka. Then it's kartari mukha. Kartari mukha means scissor mouth. So it's shown like kartari mukha, as you can see, it's kartari mukha. Then mayurakhya. Okay, mayurakhya means mayur means more or peacock. So we are showing the peacock. So it's mayurakhya. Then shukatunda. Okay, in shukatunda you have to fold your third finger and first finger like this, and just keep your second and ring finger, little finger straight with your thumb also. Pataka, tri pataka, ardha pataka, kartari mukha, mayurakhya, shukatunda. Then you have to do mushti. Mushti means just it's a fist. So that's why you just have to show on this fist. Mushti. Then shikhar. Shikhar means in mushti you just have to straight your thumb like this. So it's shikhara. Then kapithya. It's a kapithya. Then katkamukha. Katkamukha you can show it as like a katkamukha and like this also. So these both are katkamukha. Katkamukha. Then suchi. Suchi means you are showing something. Okay, so it's the hand gesture suchi. Suchi means it's showing something, or if you want to see, if you want to point to something else. So this is a suchi. So you can do like this, suchi, this. So it's suchi. Then Chandrakala. Chandrakala is like this. You just have to fold your three fingers like this. You just don't have to open it. Just open your first finger and thumb like this and keep it in right angle with each other, perpendicular to each other. So this is Chandrakala. Then Padma Kosh. It's Padma Kosh means we are showing one flower which is blooming. So it's Padma Kosh. Also the next one are Sarpa-Shirsha. Sarpa-Shirsha means you just have to curve your fingers like this, your hand. So this is a Sarpa means snake. So you are showing a snake, basically a snake. So Sarpa-Shirsha. Then Mruga-Shirsha. Mruga means deer. So you are showing a mouth of deer, which is this two are its ears and this is his of a mouth, deer. Then Siha Mukha. Simha means lion. So we are showing basically the lion's face. So Siha Mukha. Then it's Kangula. Then Alak Padma. Alak Padma means you just have to do like this. Okay, the full Alak Padma. Then Sandangsha. Sandangsha means one thing which is twinkling. So it's Sandangsha. You can use it as like a star or something. So it's Sandangsha. Then Mukula. Mukula means you have to close it. Mukula. Then Tamrachuda. It's like a hook. So it's Tamrachuda. Then Trishula. Trishula means it's instrument used by Lord Shiva to kill the enemies or something. So it's Trishula. Then Chatura. Okay, so this is Chatura means 3/4. So you are showing a 3/4 by your hand. So this Chatura, and this is Bhramara. Okay, so basically you have to close your first finger and just keep your second finger above this, from this, and just join your thumb and the second finger. So this is Bhramara. Bhramara means Bunga. So it's something which is always on flower. So you can show like this. So this is Bhramara. Okay, so let's start the Asayukta mudras from first. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartarimukha, Mayurakhya, Shukatunda, Mushti, Shikhara, Kapithya, Katakamukha, Katakamukha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosh, Sarpashirsha, Mrugashirsha, Sihamukha, Kangula, Alak Padma, Sandansha, Mukula, Tamrachura, Trishula, Chatura, Bhramar. Okay, so we are done with our Asayukta mudras, which are single-handed gestures.